We start the bunny stitch right below where we make a single crochet stitch. So move that marker. I have a very detailed bunny stitch tutorial. I'll place the link below. All right, now we turn our work. We placed a single crochet in the marked stitch. We're going to execute the first half of the bunny around that post. So slip stitch, chain 3, and then slip stitch back into that second chain, and then back into the first chain. Now execute a single crochet around the post, and you've just made a bunny foot. Look how cute, little bunny foot. All right, now 3 half double crochets around the post. Now this can feel tight, so you might have to shove those stitches over a little bit. There we go, give them a shove. Now it's a single crochet and a slip stitch. All right, now turn your work. Isn't that cute? First half of the bunny. Now turn your work again, just a little bit. You're going to execute the bunny head in the top of the double crochet 2 rows below. All right, so it's easy to find. Just kind of open it up and you can see those top 2 loops. All right, so it's 2 half double crochets. That's where I'm putting my hook, is under those top 2 loops. 2 half double crochet stitches, chain 6, slip stitch back into the first chain, chain 6 again, slip stitch back into the first chain again. Those are the bunny ears. All right, now we need to fix those bunny ears in place. We're going to use this front loop or the 3rd loop on that half double crochet and slip stitch right under that loop. And then 2 more half double crochets in that stitch. You're going to have to shove it over just a little bit. All right, there we go. Woo! We're good. Now we turn the work again, and then we go up the post of the stitch beside. But now keep in mind, you're going to have to put a single crochet at the top of that double crochet right there that we're working in. So there's a slip stitch, then a single crochet, 3 half double crochets, shove those stitches, single crochet, chain 3, slip stitch in the second chain, slip stitch in the first chain, and then slip stitch around the post. Shove those stitches a little bit, slip stitch right there. Aha, now we have a bunny, but he's open. There's his head and his ears and his tail and his feet, but he is open. So you need to slip stitch right under the bunny foot that is opposite, and that is the first slip stitch that was made. So we need to close the bunny by slip stitching right there, and then single crochet in the top of that double crochet where the second half of the bunny was made, and then single crochet across to the next marker so that we can make another bunny. But isn't he cute? He's a cute little bunny. All right, let's take a few more stitches so you can see what it looks like, and then we will move on.